is linear and rotary. Based on output, first let us start from our basic subdivisions of actuators. So I have started from based on output. This you should keep in mind. I have started from based on output, not on input. Based on output, two actuators, linear and rotary. Here I have took linear actuator. This is LVDT. This is linear actuator. Let us see what are the characteristics of linear actuators. Linear actuator used mainly for linear displacement that are straightforward, mainly for forward and backward distance. It uses belt and pulley rake and pinion or ball screw mechanism which convert motion of electric motor from rotary into linear. Means its main purpose to produce linear displacement. So even if it produces rotary displacement, it converts into linear. And its main components that include belt, pulley rake, pinion, ball screw. It enjoys the following feature. It has high repeatability, that forward and backward distance movement, positioning accuracy. It has effortless mounting, integration and operation. Yes, it is true. Its mounting and integration is not as complicated as rotary or other actuators. Low to no maintenance. Can withstand harsh and adverse weather or environment condition. Maintain ruggedness. Let us see our next actuator, that is rotary actuator. Rotary actuator. Here I have took the example that we saw earlier. I have not shown. This is our rotary actuator. This you will get it later. Let us see what are these rotary actuators actually. Rotary actuator move the things at any required angle. These movements are described in degrees basically. This can be at any degrees, 30, 60, means circular torque basis. It provides the following features. Have high torque even in compact configuration, hollow shaft with zero backlashes, and little to no maintenance. That was low to no maintenance, it's little to no maintenance. Now let us see best classification of actuators based on input. First one is electro-hydraulic actuator. In this we have voltage up. So based on input we have three type of actuator, that is electro-hydraulic actuator. Second is electromechanical actuator. Third is electro-pneumatic actuator. In electro-hydraulic actuator, our source of energy is a compressed oil. Here I have taken one example of electro-hydraulic actuator, that it is used in mainly biomass plant. Second is electromechanical actuator, that whose source of energy is electric power or battery. Example, sliding car and doors. Third is electro-pneumatic actuator, whose source of energy is a compressed air, and its example is screw gas jack. This is our actuator inner connection that we have earlier seen in rotary actuator, in which first we had electrical connections through which, means here we supply the power supply through which it goes to electrical connections, then it goes to actuators control device, and through DSP board it goes to motors and other DC-DC converter and BLDC motor board, and which phase and Hall sensor has to be energized is done through there, and after that motor rotor gate activated and shows the displacement or movement of actuator shaft, and all this feedback is recorded at the sensor or feedback element at potentiometer. Here you can see the limited and torque sensors. So this all was about actuator. Hope I may have able to clear you the basics of actuators that are needed, that we should know, we should have idea. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.